cook pansit. First
First
you have
on
to
the
put
oven, first on the kalan, then function up. Okay.
okay,
Then
then
after
put
that, no water, already dry. Put cooking oil. This is cooking oil. It's enough.
okay, enough.
Okay, now this no need to put
Okay.
too much cooking oil. This not
Okay.
olive.
And the ingredients are
And the ingredients is the carrots,
okay,
the
sliced pork,
sliced pork, and
fresh Mickey,
then the soybeans and the cabbage.
cabbage. Okay.
Then we have also the onion and garlic.
Onion and garlic.
And also we have
chicken liver.
chicken liver.
Okay.
And
First, you have to put
the first we will put the onion.
This one up slowly.
Slowly because be careful. Safety first. Even we have no take pipe, we can do this one. After the garlic. So we will mix this one in asikan because this is for special cook. Our trainer is came from Mindanao, Marawi, the survivor.
What's next? You have to put the
Then this
blanched pork.
blanched pork. Next. Okay, you must be slowly because very hot. Safety first. Okay. After that, you can mix this one. This is the way how to cook the pansit canton. Pansit Mickey. Our SRM is trainer SRM is came from Mindanao. But if you cook this on the egg, is not cooked very well. Okay. Then the next, I forgot how many minutes this one. After.
Only 15 minutes, it's okay. Then you have to put the next ingredient.
Put next ingredient. But this one already. The next is the chicken liver. Together this?
Yes, all.
Yes. Sorry. Okay. After this,
You have to cover it and let it
Cover.
simmer for 15 minutes.
we will see after 15 minutes what's the result, and we will mix after this. The pancit Mickey and the cabbage and the
All ingredients later. Okay. Add water.
Add water.
Level. Okay, class.
Then we will
Try
mix.
to mix it well.
So the taste will be very good. We will mix and then
Simmer again in 3 minutes.